Possible Chantel. I remember years ago, someone told me I should stay conscious of some sort of idea. I did, and you were strong, and I was not. My illusion, my mistake. I was killing, I forgot I did. And I wasn't falling, it's not a mistake. You called him so effortlessly. You wondered my head down, and still I'm all I know now. Shouting from the rooftop, shining on the skyline. But all we had is gone now. Till I was happy, and my heart is broken. All my scars are open. Look, I hope would be impossible, 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 impossible. Falling out of love is hard. Falling for betrayal is worse. Broken trust and broken promise. I know. Thinking all you need is there. Good impact and love is worth. Empty promise so rare. I know. All is gone, nothing to say. If it's done, what's the best in me? Tell them all I know now. Shouting from the rooftop, lying on the skyline. All we have is one night. Tell them I was happy, and my heart is broken. All my scars are open. Sibling, what I hope would be impossible, impossible, possible. Impossible, impossible. I'm in the video, someone show me. Man, this is a singing song. Tell us you like T-shirt about yourself. Someone told me I should stay cautious when it comes to love. I did. Bye.